All right, boys, it's day 3 of this blizzard, and I'm about to meal prep the most gas combination known to man. We got fresh trout, we got a pack of darts, and we got absolutely zero plan. This spot's about to become a 5-star wilderness kitchen. Boys, we're working with Stone Age technology and modern day problems. The fire situation is not looking good right now. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas, literally. Woo! This trout's about to get the full wilderness spa treatment. We're about to smoke this like it's 1823. Now for the darts. These need to stay dry or the whole meal prep is ruined. All right, boys, quality control time. This might actually be gas. The storm's trying to ruin our meal prep, but we're not backing down. Boys, meal prepping isn't just about food. It's about preparation for the chaos. Look at this beauty. This trout is absolutely gas. We're doing proper meal prep here. 3 days worth of wilderness protein. The darts need military grade protection from this storm. This combination is actually revolutionary. Organization is key in wilderness meal prep. This storm's trying its hardest, but the meal prep is complete. Whew. Boys, we just meal prepped trout and darts in a literal blizzard. This is peak wilderness efficiency. The key to wilderness meal prep is commitment and complete disregard for normal food safety. This meal prep's gonna sustain me through whatever chaos comes next. If you meal prep trout and darts in a snowstorm, drop a fire emoji. Bigfoot boys out.